There go the green goblin right there. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're still working on the 1972 Buick LeSabre. I got the starter in and new bolts in for it, so I'm gonna get ready to show y'all right now. Oh yes sir, more parts. We're gonna knock this out, throw this in real quick, guys. And yeah, it's super hot. Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know what's going on with y'all's projects and what's going on with y'all bills. And also, if you're new to the channel, we do car content over here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Silky Smooth gang. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we got that out the way. So I got this off of Amazon. What's the name? I guess this the part number, guys. 6492N, I guess. I don't know. Oh, they sent me one bolt. I ended up ordering the bolts too, because I didn't know if they was gonna come with it. So we got the LS swap bolts. I don't know if they make it, if it make a difference or anything, but they only sent one bolt though, for some reason. But it is super hot out here, guys. Dang, that boat kind of do look better though than when it came with it. I don't know why it does. It looks a little more sturdy. But anyways, yeah, it's super hot out here. We're gonna slap this boy in here real quick. I got the car all jacked up. It's gonna be hard for me to record, so let me see if I can set y'all up somewhere, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna knock this out pretty quick, and then we're gonna wait till tonight to mess with the wire harness some more. Hope y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see. Y'all can see, man. But yeah, it's just been too hot in Texas. This started to look a little small though. And I torqued up the torque converter bolts, so we should be good there. I just really want to get the starter on here so I can drop the car down and really be able to work in the engine bay, because like it's up high. It's up so high right now, you can't even like get up there to look at what you're trying to wire up. So yeah, we'll just bolt this bad boy up real quick. This is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's a lot of videos on how to install a starter. I just want to show y'all the whole process, start to finish. A lot of these car YouTubers, they don't even do their own work. They send it to the shop. I mean, which that's cool if you're rich or whatever. I like to try to save some money. I mean, I ain't doing bad or nothing, but I like to save some money and learn something in the process versus just sending it to the shop. You gotta learn how to do this stuff. If you really love cars, you need to learn how to do it. A lot of these guys, they claim they love cars. I think they just do it for the money. They send their car to the shop, get a nice wrap on their Lamborghini, put some tint on there, put some Forgiatos, and that's it. Million views. We out here working, Silky Smooth gang. We working, man. We working. We on the grind for real. I need to look at the torque on this. I'm gonna just snug them up. I'm pretty sure it's on the sheet. But we'll just snug them up like that, guys. And everything's looking good. I think this part is for another video, but I'll go ahead and tell y'all this. I don't think this cross member is gonna work. I got my big camera, guys, so I can't just move it up under here like that little camera. But this cross member, I don't think it's gonna work. So I gotta try to get something else. But bottom end is done. Everything tight. I just gotta torque these. And we're gonna start running wires, guys. Let me get out of here. There got a green goblin right there. Yes, sir. Y'all see, we do car content over here, guys. So, yep, ain't gonna be a long video. We just gotta get some stuff done. It's super hot. But guess what? The grind don't stop. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.